Hi, I'm Tim Carter, W3ATB, and I'm hoping you can see me in the snow behind me. It's February 18th, 2014. I'm in central New Hampshire, and we're getting a pretty big snowstorm. It's really pretty cool. It's a very light and fluffy snow. They predicted 4 to 6 inches here at the house. Guess what? We've already got 7 inches. Check it out. Okay, right there, I scraped it with my snow shovel. That's 7 inches right there. And it's really coming down. Look at that. There's Lady the dog. But it's really coming down heavy. So we'll see what we end up with. If it keeps up like this, it'll be another foot or so. But it's very, very light and fluffy. Okay, old man winter. I've had enough.